How to add water ripple effect on Android home screen. Want to give your Android home screen a realistic water ripple effect? You can do it using a live wallpaper app, and the setup only takes a few steps. First, open the Google Play Store and search for water ripples. Install the app and open it once the installation is complete. Inside the app, you'll see several options. Tap Wallpaper to choose the water ripple wallpaper. You'll then see a preview of the effect, where you can check how the moving water will look on your phone. When you're happy with it, tap Set Wallpaper at the bottom. A small menu will appear with options such as Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. If you only want the water ripple effect on your home screen, select Home Screen. The wallpaper will now be applied, and when you return to your home screen, you should see the water ripple effect in action. Keep in mind that the available options may be different depending on your Android device, manufacturer, or software version. And that's it. You can now enjoy a live water ripple effect directly on your Android home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.